Hi, I'm here with another tech tip for the day. It may sound dumb or stupid, but before you do anything online, make sure that you are doing some research. Whether it is downloading an app or making a purchase, make sure that you check their reviews, check their online privacy policy, and how secure they are handling the credit cards. Are they doing it themselves or are they doing it through a third party? Or at least bare minimum, are they using HTTPS in their URL or not? So these are the things which you can look for various signs of whether a website is secure or not. And when you are making purchase, make sure that you are using your credit card. Do not ever use a debit card on a website. I can talk about that for hours, but please take it very seriously. Do not use a debit card. Thank you for watching.